This property today is one that has its own personal onsen, so that is a really great thing to have if you're into that. It's in Atami. Here's the station, really lively area, beautiful nature. Here's the home, 3.2 million yen, 20,000 USD. One story 2DK, built in 1978, 50 square meters building space, but 378 square meters total. It is a 20-minute drive from Atami Station. You definitely will need to drive. As you can see, the parking spot there, the blue rental car I have, is where the parking is. Overall, I think this home is a good one to consider for the price. It is resort area, so there is a yearly management fee of about 800,000 yen. That's about $5,500. So that is something definitely to keep in mind. We have sold quite a few of these resort style homes recently, even over the last year or so. See the propane tanks there. This little walkway leads you to the onsen, which the car is parked on top of. I didn't have the key to get into the onsen, but I did get a photo of it. And here's the door, walk around. Here's the onsen itself. So it does look pretty nice in there. Here is the built-in onsen. I mentioned I had some Kafun show, I thought, the other week when I was doing a video. Turned out not to be Kafun show. It ended up being a cold, I think, that I got from my daughter, which probably more of that to come. But here is this home, and I'm gonna get inside, do a tour, go down. There seems to be a big yard. I think it's connected. For 3.2 million yen, it's not a bad kind of property to consider, that's for sure. It does come with some overhead cost, as I've probably already mentioned, that for the onsen fees, which sometimes that's optional, sometimes they're not. But for this home in this price in this area, I think it's a pretty good property, or kind of property, to consider. There is a caveat to the onsen usage. If you want to connect it, it's quite expensive. It's like $7,000, something crazy. Many of them are optional. We have to check. I think all of them are, but I want to double check before I say that definitively. So not something you have to connect right away, but there are a lot of people who love the onsen here in Japan, including myself. Here is underneath the home. I did take a look. Some of the wood was kind of coming off, but that was the covering. Didn't look like anything structurally. Here is the backyard. Looks like the previous owner did have some dogs, so a dog kennel in the back. And you've got some space between the other neighbors and all these trees. It gives it more of a private feel. So if you value yard space and have some dogs, this is a good property to consider. This is a one-story home, as I said in the beginning. Here is the entrance. There are a lot of items left by the current owner. I always say it, but those things are negotiated whether or not they're going to be taken out of the home or not. Usually they are, because they can be personal things. Here's the door height, a bit short. Again, I'm right at 6 foot, a little bit higher here, but gotta watch your head. There's the kitchen ahead, and then rooms off to the left and right. I guess the way it is laid out, technically there are 3 rooms. As you'll see in the right hand room, there's a separate room. They have a bed back there in. A little bit messy, not in great condition. Will need some TLC, but it does have this gas oven, which you rarely see in Japan. Not very large. When I do see them, they're about that size. Water is not on. Here's a look out the back where that dog kennel and yard is. So definitely can look a lot better with upgraded wallpaper, kitchen, stuff like that. Here's the room off to the left. The home overall felt pretty solid, but this room, the floors were a little bit creaky. That is kind of common. Nobody's been living in the house for a while. Does have closet space. And a back kind of patio sunroom behind me. Here's a look out the window. The front's off to the left. See some of the neighbors around here. I will be posting a couple more videos here in the next couple weeks. I met somebody out there. They're giving me some time to exclusively help sell and promote their property. So we'll be making videos and putting them out there shortly. I do have another really cool property I went to that I'll be posting later this week as well. You'll see at the very end of the video, I do kind of walk around and look at the area. There's just so many properties around this resort area. You know, there was a time when they were booming. This area is becoming a little bit more popular again, especially with the foreigners. So revitalizing these homes, bringing them back to life, and making them vacation homes for some of you guys out there. Here's the second room tatami. You see that other kind of sunroom in the back where somebody has their bed. Be a nice place to sleep. Nice view out the window. Another closet in this room as well. Bit of a small bedroom / study area. And again, for the price, if you're okay with the maintenance fees that come with it yearly, they also do septic maintenance. I think this is a really good property to consider for the price. The home seems to be in pretty good condition. There are shutters on the windows, these little sliders that hide when you are there. And these seem to be functioning properly. Sometimes they're old and rusty and not really opening, but these were all functioning properly. Here is the bath and toilet area. Not only do you have baby blue here, but you also have baby pink right here. Best of both worlds. Bath was a little bit small, but you know, looked okay for the year and price. Here's the toilet. Some patterned stone flooring here. So here's outside of the home as well. So this area is, you know, like I said, pretty cool. I'm going back there later this week or next week. Here are some of the other homes I just kind of took pictures of and videoed along the way. There were varying types of homes as far as quality goes. Some of them are really old and ran down, not being kept up. Some of them were really nice. You see these stairs that look like they just go on forever. It's cherry blossom season and the cherry blossoms are blooming. Very beautiful sight to behold. And so there are lots of options for these holiday homes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you're interested in purchasing Japanese property, reach out via my email or WhatsApp. Thank you very much and have a great day.